Vision. City College of San Jose del Monte is an institution that striving to provide excellent educational opportunities responsive to the need of society and commitment to continuously sustain quality education, ensure on exemplary leadership, dedicated service, accountability, and with a deep sense of professionalism. Mission number 1. Enhance student technical and academic competence battle in providing immediately and long-term society needs. Mission number 2. Creating a new program and service with high level, excellent, and standard, thus contributing to local, national, and international significance. Number 3. Mission. Generate a new knowledge through a broad array of scholarly research and creating endeavors. Number 4. Strengthening cultural and societal understanding through language and the art, cultures, and implications of social, political, economic, and technological change. Number 5. Mission. Develop a robust community and industrial lineage and partnership. Number 6. Mission. Engage in co-curricular and extracurricular endeavors that would harness the human skill of all members on the CCSGDM academic community. And number 7. Mission. Number 7 mission. Promote continuous improvement by regularly conducting evaluation on the program, service, system, and policies through accreditation on other internal and external quality assurance and mechanism. So ang makikita ko lang sa mission and vision about this is about me is okay naman sa lahat, dahil may bawat word dun sa nakalagay dun sa mission and vision ay accurate sa based on how they accurate dun sa based on what is the true impact of the school, kung ano yung mga dapat na matutunan at dapat na nilang alamin ang mga estudyante doon sa mission at vision. Parang katulad lang ng LEAPS na kasama dun sa core values. Yung LEAPS kasi sa L ng LEAPS is leadership. Yung E naman ng LEAPS is excellent. Yung A naman accountability. Yung P yung professionalism. Yung S sa LEAPS is ang service. Sa core values, yung bawat meaning yan, may mga sa isang estudyante impact about them. Ayun lang po. Thank you. At my name pala si John De Balindayo and Ben Wanchi.